To troubleshoot Whoop sign-up issues, start by ensuring you have a stable internet connection. A strong and reliable connection is essential for a seamless sign-up process. Next, check that you are using a compatible device and browser. Whoop recommends using the latest version of Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Safari. If you are still having trouble, verify that you are entering the correct email address and password. Double-check for any typos or spelling mistakes. It is also important to ensure that your email address is not already in use. If you have previously signed up for a Whoop account, try resetting your password instead of creating a new account. Another common issue is CAPTCHA verification. Make sure to complete the CAPTCHA challenge correctly, as this is a security measure to prevent automated signups. If you are having trouble with the CAPTCHA, try refreshing the page or using a different browser. Additionally, check that your browser is set to accept cookies and that any ad blockers are disabled. Whoop uses cookies to store your sign-up information, and ad blockers may interfere with this process. If none of these steps resolve the issue, try clearing your browser cache and cookies. This will remove any stored information that may be causing the problem. You can also try signing up using a different device or browser to rule out any device-specific issues. Finally, if you are still experiencing trouble, contact Whoop support directly for assistance. They will be able to provide personalized help and resolve any issues that are preventing you from signing up. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve any Whoop sign-up issues.